It's your boy, the God BGCF. I usually don't make video fixing controller, but I see so many people use the Astro C40 controller, right? A lot of you guys have a sticky S button because you spam the S button a lot, and there's no way for you guys to fix it, and there's no video out there that tells you guys how to fix it. But I've had the same problem, and just because of that, I had to go buy another Astro C40 controller. Then I ran into the same problem with my X button. So imagine buying another controller just because you couldn't fix your X button because it's sticky. I play Fortnite. If you play Fortnite in Call of Duty, you definitely run into that problem because you spam your X button a lot. It's just the rubber in the underneath the that pushes the button upward that's broken just because you spam it a lot. So the easiest way to fix it is to use this little thing out here. It comes with your headset. It came with my Samsung Galaxy S10 headset, the Astro of it. I'll show you guys exactly how to apply it and then fix your sticky button so you can play the game over and over again and not worry about your button being sticky ever again. Okay, just watch a little bit of how I fix it in there. Just watch the video and you know exactly how to do it. Okay.
I realized the pad in here, this pad right here is broken, right? That's why it doesn't like push all the way up. It's broken, right? So it doesn't push the X button all the way up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out the X button right here. Look at it. It's the X button, right? And I'll bring out my headset stuff right here. I'll pull it out. I'll try to rip it apart. You got to be careful. Just rip it on the edge. Let me see if I can use. Hold on. Let me see if I can use this stuff real quick. Yeah, I just poke a little hole on it, or you can just rip it out. Like rip it off. Yeah. I just rip this part off. I rip this part off. You see what I have? I have this round stuff right here, and I have this stuff. So what I'll do is the Astro C40 have this space in it. You see that little space in there? So what I'll do is I'll wear it I'll wear it in there, and then yeah, okay. I just wear it in there, and then I'll force it. Just wear it in there. You really don't need to force it, but it's a little bit tight, so I'll force it in. Force it in, just twist it. Force it all the way in. So basically, this rubber is gonna be the stuff pushing your Astro C40 up. Since the rubber on the pad is not as solid as it used to be. So this rubber is gonna be the leverage. The rubber doesn't break. It doesn't break. It's not gonna hurt your Astro C40 controller in any ways. Then just put it back in, and voila! As soon as you put it back in, let me see. Okay, this side is the bigger part. Yeah, voila! It's right there, right? So I'll put the controller back together. You have that rubber right there, and yeah, I'll put the controller right back together.
The controller is fixed right now, and yeah, I broke one of the back pedal when fixing the controller, but yeah, that's not a big deal. I don't use that one anyways. I don't fix controller, so yeah, I run into that error. But for the most part, everything that needed to be fixed is fixed. If you want to put the rest of those headset stuff in the rest button so you don't have that problem, you can put them. But for this video, it's just the X button that I want to fix, and I already fixed the X button. If you find this video useful, don't forget to drop the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, ask me on the comment section below, okay? Now I got my two Astro C40 working perfectly well without having
X button problem, so I'm fine.